Good day, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the Wave. Okay, today we shall be looking at the Bitcoin chart, analyzing the trends, and trying to see what the market holds for us. Okay, this is the 4 hours. Okay, let's quickly start from the higher time frame, the monthly. This is the monthly time frame. Okay, so Bitcoin is currently in a very strong uptrend and broke out recently from the previous high. So it came back, retest these zones. Let me just mark it out. Okay, and after the breakout, it did a retest to this 72K region, as you can see. So it formed a cup formation. Okay, and that led to the breakout, the retest, and what to expect is that it keep pushing up and up. So we expect more green candles closed on the monthly time frame. Okay, so overall you can see what the monthly what to expect from the monthly candles. So if we to compare this to the past and to know also where our targets, our take profits could be. Okay, we discovered that it will be easier to get it with this form. If for those who took the trade, I took a trade around them that's 72. Okay, and I closed around them 90 thereabout. But the breakout confirmed, and we see it's heading to around 134K. So 134, 135K should be the next stop. Maybe that's where the next green candle will stop. And overall, you can see that we are still on the bull run. The previous bull run after the breakout there. In fact, the bear market lasted for about 2 to 3 years thereabout. So came back, tested the previous high of the bull run. Okay, and then before it started flying up, and since then we've been on this uptrend. So mind you, the future can be determined by the past in most cases. Okay, so from previously you discovered that we had this high there, and it even did more. You can see that it did more in terms of shooting to the upside. It had some crazy monthly candle close. So if you were to compare it to what we're having now, okay, let's try and extend it. Let me take this off. Okay, and bring this here. we discover that we are still going to be saying 127. See, 127k. So there's no stopping this from going higher and higher. Okay, and we are in the strong bull market. It's a bull run. The bull run is still on, and considering the fact that institutions are just diving into it, is something that retailers should not sleep over. Shouldn't sleep on. Okay, yeah, you discovered that after the breakout at this region came the move, and so far we had a crazy run. All these are monthly candles. Okay, so we take it down to this place, you discover that it is just like halfway there. So saying 130k in this bull run is something undeniable. So we expect next month's candle to close around that region, 130k thereabout. Okay, so it's always good to analyze always analyze from the higher time frame for narrowing it down to the lower time frame to get your entrance and all. Okay, at this point you discover we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 green candles in the previous run after the breakout. Okay, so let's compare it now to current trend, and let's under speculative analysis. Okay, let's see where we have it extend to. I mean the bull run. Okay, you see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 we're giving us 160k. So 160k to 180k is something similar to what we had before. Let me just wipe this off. So this bull run, there's every tendency of this bull run going further high. Okay, so please do well to hit the subscribe button if you haven't, and don't forget to smash the like button as well. Okay, let me just let's see the weekly of. Okay, let's take all this out now from the monthly analysis. Take all this out. So when you look at this chart overall, it is very neat, and you can easily tell where next we headed. Okay, this is the right place also to take a trade, because the breakout there, see the liquidity zone here on the weekly time frame. Let's see it on the daily. So if we zoom close, because the breakout is there already. So let's get a clearer view of this liquidity. Okay, you see that the candle there from the weekly time frame is a good place to wait for this retrace. Okay, this pullback, so we can easily get a 1:3 from this trade, making 125 or 130, as the case may be, our target. Look at the strong uptrend so far. Institutions are just buying Bitcoin and buying Bitcoin. That makes everything so bullish. And considering the fundamentals around Bitcoin, remember, the trend is our friend, so we always work with the trend to try and make the best out of the market. So that will be all for now, as I draw the analysis for today to an end. At this point, please do well to hit the subscribe button for more videos in the future.